Hi everyone. So I made this top. I really love the pattern. So I'm gonna show you how I made this pattern. It's very easy to do. So we'll take our transferring tool. Here is our zero. So this two central needles, we're not transferring anywhere. We're going to take first needle and transfer it to the middle one. Now we'll take the needle from the other side and transfer it. Our first transfer is done, so we'll push these needles to the front and do 2 rows. So now we have our little holes. So now again, we will take first needle and transfer it to 0. Now we're going to take second needle and transfer it to first needle. Same on the other side. And we'll push the empty needles to the front. Keep 2 rows. Now we have our 2 little holes here. And we continue doing it for as long as we want. First needle, second needle, and then third needle, and on the other side. Another rows. We're transferring the needle above our little hole, and then we'll transferring the next needle always. So that way it's gonna make a very nice row. So basically each row we need to add 1 more needle to transfer closer to 0. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now we're going to transfer every and push all the needles to the front. And it's done. You can make as many holes as you want here, and that way it will make your triangle bigger or smaller. It's all up to you the way you want it to be. It's very easy pattern and I like it a lot.